Morning, guys. Me and the Trixie Hobbit decided to get up early and come run up this mountain and try to catch a sunrise. So I thought I'd share with whoever wants to watch. So beautiful out right now. Look at it. What'd you get, girl? What'd you get? I think she likes this kind of stuff. I think I like this kind of stuff. Luckily, where I live, there's quite a few hills around my house that make for some good, quick morning hikes up for good vantage points for some pretty sweet sunrises and sunsets. So hopefully this will be worth it. I'm sure it will be. Oh, I'm dying. Hoo-wee. Ooh, wowzers. I'd say it was worth it. It's beautiful. Oh man, I'm probably just gonna sit here and enjoy this for a little bit. Yeah.